Alright, hello and welcome to the stock market analysis. Today we're going to look at crude oil prices, WTI futures. This is the daily chart of crude oil, and as you can see, it is breaking out higher. The stock has just begun a new uptrend. Since this low here, it has refused to make a lower low, but make a higher low here, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and that is the definition of an uptrend along with higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. Recently, it just broke out of this consolidation over here, and that's something good. And if it continues to move higher, it might break out of this consolidation. Alright, we had a bullish cross here where the 20 MA crossed back above the 50 MA, and the 20 MA is rising, the 50 MA is rising, and this tells us that it is in a very nice bullish uptrend. And recently it has also broke back above the 200 MA. The 200 MA, which has been flat for some time, is slanting up. So if the 50 MA crosses back above the 200 MA, there's a possibility that the nice uptrend will continue much higher in the long term. Now the crude oil definitely has broke back above the downtrend line, and all the signs points to the continuation of a daily uptrend. Now this stock, the crude oil, you might say that it has formed a double bottom here. Now maybe we go to the weekly chart. You can see it clearer, where crude oil actually, you might say, is forming a double bottom here, and if it's able to break above this downtrend line, right, it might just continue to move higher. As you can see, this is a weekly chart, shows how the how the trend line can be drawn, and is breaking above this downtrend line. So if the uptrend in the daily chart continues, we might see higher prices for oil, and we do have resistance here, this resistance area, which is why when it went up, formed this topping tail, doji topping tail kind of pattern, and it stopped going up and moved down. So this move up here absorbs some supply, absorbs some resistance here. So if it continues to move up, we might see it going higher to here. Maybe it will encounter resistance here and decline back a bit. Now it is finding support at the weekly 200 MA. As you can see, every time it reaches the 200 MA, it just bounces back up here as well. So along with the support in the 200 MA, the double bottom kind of pattern, and the breaking of a downtrend line in the weekly chart, it shows us that oil prices is likely to continue to move up in the near future. And let's take a look at the hourly chart. Hourly chart is just trading sideways. But it broke above the downtrend line here. We have a bullish cross here, continue to rise, and if it's able to move above this high here, then we can see crude oil prices rising in the next week. Okay, so a lot of oil stocks are benefiting from it. Okay, let's check out USO, which you can trade using your stock account, has also found a kind of rounding bottom, bullish cross. The 20 MA is above the 50 MA, and unlike all crude oil prices, there's already a golden cross, where now the faster moving average is above the slower moving average, and the railroad tracks in 20 and 50 MA, and 200 MA is rising as well. So weekly chart, we could see it has not broken above this downtrend line, but if it's able to do so, we might see it continue moving higher. Okay, so let me see this other Brent oil futures look kind of same. Maybe we could draw a downtrend line here, or you can do like this, and it's just trying to break out of this downtrend line here. There's quite a lot of support area in sorry, let me just use the green color. Quite a lot of support where it broke out of this consolidation. So you could say maybe it's forming a kind of flag pattern here, if you will. It's a flag pattern. And if it breaks out of this flag pattern, we could see Brent oil futures moving up. Take the height of the flag, project it upwards to get the target. Let me just clone it. So it's trying to break out, and if the target is really met, is 93.3. So that's Brent crude oil futures. The price action kind of looks like the same, like USO and crude oil. Let me just go back to crude oil. So yeah, it's kind of bullish at this moment. So I hope that this analysis is helpful. To subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in next one.